how to watch videos at 2x speed on a phone. I'm going to show you how you can easily watch videos at 2x speed on a phone. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now scroll through your feed or search for the video you want to watch at 2x speed. Once you've found it, tap on the video to start playing it. Then, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear located in the top right corner of the video screen. Next, a menu will appear with several options. Tap on playback speed to adjust how fast or slow you want the video to play. Here, you will see a list of speed options. Select 2x to double the speed of the video. Now, you will notice that the video is playing at twice its normal speed, making it faster to watch. You can also apply this to other videos. Simply select another video. Tap on the settings icon again, go to playback speed, and choose 2x.